Episode 4 is here, ladies and gentlemen. Paint is done. Skirting is done. Place is still pretty dusty, even though we cleaned it like twice now. We need a lot more work done in regards to cleaning the floor. As you can see, let's start with the floor. See what's going on here. So, as you can see, there's these like white dots that have been accumulating over time, either due to, I don't know, splatter, cement splatter, some stuff like that, you know, adhesives, paint maybe as well, all mixed in there. So we need something. I cleared a lot of these, but there's more popping up after you clean. So we need a good chemical right now to lift these things up and take care of them. And it's basically all over the place. So I really can't do it by hand. I can, but it's gonna take 1,000 years to do that. So basically you just need a wire brush and go downtown with it. But I'm still gonna do the wire brush, but we still gotta get a good chemical to clear it up. So what's been done since the last episode, episode 3? Episode 4 has been a long time coming, that's for sure. So let's start from inside. There's not much going on outside. Inside, the paint has been done. Ceiling, also the walls here. We got the skirting done as well. That's where the kitchen is going to be, as we said earlier on other videos. The dining table and stuff. Some more skirting here. Still need some of this for the bedroom. ACs are going to be installed, I think, maybe at the end of this month. Coming next month, beginning of April too. We're planning to move in April, so hopefully that works. Hopefully that's the plan. So yeah, common parts still not done. Still got to do some tiles there, but that's not on our end. That's the owner's end. There's the bathtub right there. So we gotta get installed and everything. It's dusty. Don't worry, that peels off. All that plastic peels off. So don't worry about that. As you can see, there's a lot more of these stains. We gotta clean them up. Toilet is gonna be over there. Yeah, this is basically, you've seen this, yeah. Ceiling's been cleaned up as well. So they're not cleaned up, painted up. Yeah, that's the paint we went with. The brand is called Benjamin Moore. Got some water coming through. This is the bedroom as well, all painted up. Skirting is not finished in here because we have to wait for the doors to come in. So they will know exactly how much to cut for the door borders, not to like intervene or anything. They don't want that to put, you know, skirting then, and then you gotta cut the skirting again for the door frame. You can see we still need some here done, some more there done. The wardrobe is gonna be from that side all the way to that side. This is basically the shower glass, the partition right here. It goes right there, basically. This is just more drywall sort of thing. I'm not even sure what we call it, but yeah, it's the stuff that they use for the roof ceiling. There's a bunch of bulbs and fittings and bathroom fittings. That's the geyser over here. There's some more stuff, a lot of stuff. A lot of shit going on, chat, a lot, dude. Yes, chat. We had a bit of as we were cleaning, there was a tile here that was slightly shattered. So the guy came over, he came again and he replaced it. So that's just drying off right now. I'm not gonna step on it. This is the kid's bedroom here as well. I gotta take care of this cord here and put it back. There you go. Paint. I love the paint, dude. Paint is so nice, dude. Look at the difference. The ceiling is just pure white. It's just normal white, and the walls, we decided to go with a color called White Down by Benjamin Moore. It's an American paint company. And this is my baby, dude. This is my baby right here. The stream room where all the work, all the magic is gonna happen. All the curse words, all the yelling, the oh my god, dude, look at him, all that crazy shit. It's gonna be happening in here. So yeah, I'm very excited. I still gotta clean up the borders there a little bit. There's a bit of dust. So, I mean, there's a lot of dust on the wall. Just gotta clean it up. On the black, you know, dust is just gonna be all over the place. So, yeah. As you can see, there's a lot more of this. I really couldn't remove this with like a hard sponge. So, I need that chemical. We definitely need the chemical here, so we can like lift this shit up and take it over, you know, take care of it. Yeah, that's the room, dude. I love the room. This paint is called Day's End, and it's also by Benjamin Moore. I love it, dude. It looks amazing. White ceiling, obviously the same as the rest of the apartment. Got the skirting and all that good stuff. So yeah, that's gonna be drying up, and tomorrow they're gonna be doing the grouting around it and finish that. Call it a day on that one. What else, dude? I don't know. What else? Last time you guys definitely saw the windows, the apertures. That's what. Yeah, that was the same day we got them installed, actually. So it's been a while, man. What else, man? I'm not even sure what else we're talking about, dude. What else we had going on? Well, I'll tell you what's happening soon, though. In about 2 weeks. Maybe next week, I'm probably thinking next week, they're going to be installing all the doors to the rooms. There's also going to be our bed being delivered as well. Bed is going to be being delivered, I think, either next week or the week before. I'm not entirely sure. So there's a lot more stuff coming. The kitchen is, well, should be finished in beginning of April, maybe second week of April. So we're trying to aim for the April move before our kid arrives. So we want to be, well, we're going to try to be all tucked in before our kid arrives. So we want to prepare as much things as possible. Yeah, so right now the plan is to set this thing up. This is a wardrobe that we got from IKEA. There's a wardrobe, and there's also the the dresser. There's dressers parts in there as well. It's called the Hemnes. My wife picked it. I'll let her do those things, you know, like that's her stuff to pick. Obviously, she tells me, like, do you like this? I'm like, yeah, that works. Some things, if I don't like them, I'll tell her, listen, that might not work as much. So I'm not sure where they put, yeah. Yeah, I'm not sure why they didn't put my real name, but that's fine, dude. I think they knew I was gonna record this, so yeah. Torkie's on the IKEA parts, so it's pretty cool. Yeah, a ton of parts here. It's gonna be a challenge for sure. It's gonna be my first time setting up anything IKEA. This is actually the first time having anything IKEA, I believe. So any furniture IKEA. So yeah, there's a lot of parts. So yeah, a huge wardrobe. The wardrobe looks absolutely fantastic. I cannot wait to show you guys. We designed it on the internet, whatever, on the website, on their website. So it's going to be looking good, dude. There's a bunch of assets here, a lot of padding and you know, stuff that you put in there, you know, to hang more stuff, a lot of stuff that goes into stuff. That's how the world goes today. So yeah, that's basically, I think, it, dude. What are we missing? Well, there's some more. There's the sinks over there, a bunch of sinks for the, let me see if we can find it, open it up. Let's see, dude. It's pretty in there. So yeah, this is a nice sink, dude. It's a sink. Yeah, baby. Look at that sink. Yeah. Nice sink, dude. I'll close this up because I can't really close it with one hand. Yes, dude. We got our first ever table structure in our apartment as well, dude. Then we also got this badass enter the upside down carpet that I gotta lay the smack down on as well. So yeah, dude. Yeah. We're gonna, yeah, little toilet right there. Yeah, baby. That thing's been out in the sun for a while. So, I mean, the toilet's not there. The toilet's in the bathroom. But, dude, I think that's it, chat. I think that's it. I think that's it for episode 4. I don't know if I'm missing anything, but because there's been so much going on. A lot of calls, 1 million calls a day. That's what you got to do, I guess. So, yeah. Chat, I love you. I'll see you on episode 5. Hopefully it doesn't take too long because a lot is going to happen in the next few weeks. Like I said, a lot of stuff is planned. A lot of stuff is also, going to be installed in here. It's going to change up the place a little bit. And once we clean up the ground, the floor as much as we can, I'll give you guys some screenshots, some pictures in Discord, because right now it's still pretty dirty. It was like literally 10 times worse than this. If you can imagine that, it is literally 12, 15 times worse than what it is now. It was disgusting. It was absolutely disgusting. It was literally dunes of dust in here. It was that bad. So now it's a lot better. Guys, I'll see you on the next one. I'm sorry this one dragged on a little bit, but I'm sorry I'm all over the place right now with the streams, but you guys probably know why. So cheers to you guys. Thank you so much for watching.